How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? This video that I'm gonna show you guys, what I did is I just do it myself. You know, out here on the road, you can do yourself to fix a minor fix on your truck, trailer. What I did is I just need to fix the chute on my trailer because I'm a reefer driver. So it was hanging, and then when you go to the customer, they need, you know, make sure that the chute it's have the flow of the cool air coming out of the, you know, reefer. So that's what I did. I just fixed it for like maybe 15 minutes. Everybody can do it. Lahat na mga gagawin sa mga truck, kung kaya mo gawin sarili mo, pwede, or pupunta ka sa tractor shop to fix it, but minor, not a major problem. So that's what I did. And if you have any question about the video, give me a comment below, and or send me an email. I will put my email description below, and I'll send me a comment or anything that I can, you know, make it better on my next video. So alright guys, thank you for watching. Pero ngayon, may sira yung trailer natin sa loob. So inaayos ko. So this is the inside the trailer look like. So since I have time to fix it, I don't have to go to the shop. I can do it on my own. It's easy, simple fix. Hindi naman mahirap. Basta may tools ka lang na gagamitin mo. The tools that you need: hammer, screwdriver. This is the flathead, but it's supposed to use the screwdriver, the nose, but this one that what I have, so that's all we're gonna use today. And then they have this thing right here. So it's kind of dangerous because we use the ladder right there. It's not, you know, it's not the best thing. You got hurt, it's on your own because you're fixing it. But ito yung problema, is hanging the chute. This is for the cooler. Oh, right there. That's the cooler for anything that is freeze reefer. So anything that is running with cooler on it. So everything else except, you know, dry stuff. But right now that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. But hopefully I don't have you know, somebody will hold my camera, but hopefully this thing can work. So alright, let's go. The other side finish, so I did my best, whatever I can. It worked. So see, kung kahit anong trabaho mo dyan, hindi naman perfect kasi hindi ka naman mechanic. So whatever I can, fix it, good. So dito naman sa kabila, using ko kahit isa lang, ilagay ko isa dyan. Pwede ko ilagyan ng isang, yung ilalagay dito, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito. So meron dun sa trailer nyo, meron nito. So we can put that in, so you can fix it. Once you get to the shipper, they don't complain that you have a broken chute. They're really picky about it because they want the airflow all the way back there, all the way back from the front to the back. They want the airflow, not in the middle of the trailer. So let's finish this so I can get done. Alright guys, that's all for the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please support my channel, Joey's Journey. It's spelled Joewey, approximately S Journey. So look me up on YouTube. We got more video to come. Hopefully you guys like it. Please comment below, subscribe on my channel, support it. I really appreciate it. Take care guys. Much love. Aloha.